Back up here in Toronto, back at it again. Another house is being completely demoed to be renovated. This is where I got in here so far. I was up here yesterday, forgot to take some videos, but I brought the trailer with me, grabbed all of the appliances. There was 2 washing machines, a dryer, furnace, fridge, stove, I don't know, all of the appliances from the house, a dishwasher, plus some wire and stuff I grabbed yesterday. That's a super old school air conditioner. It's a lot heavier than the normal ones. Cast iron bathtub. The feet are over there. It's big, thick, pretty thick aluminum copper rods. Came from the air conditioner in the basement. I'll show you the air conditioner. That's a super old school air conditioner. That's a cast iron bathtub. Got the feet over there. Probably try to sell it before I scrap it at least. Phone's gonna run out of space. Completely filthy. Have to wear a hard hat, and I prefer to wear a mask because it's dirty as shit in there. A lot of mold. This is just garbage. I don't got to deal with any of the garbage. I'm here to deal with the metal. So these guys are filling the bin. Give you a quick shot inside before my phone runs out of space again. It keeps running out of space right away. So this is where the kitchen was. The air conditioner was right there, the old school one. Power supply just ran out back to the generator. Generator's not here right now. Got this little creepy little rat right here. It's like a petrified rat. Mummified or petrified, I don't know what it's called, but creepy little rat. I don't know why they didn't throw it out. I guess they're leaving it aside to see, so the homeowner can see it when he comes back. But not that much stuff. Wasn't much going on upstairs, so just the one bathroom, a little bit of wire. Most of the wire and tubing came from the basement down here. There's no lights in here, so I'm gonna use a flashlight. This is the air compressor that came from the air conditioner. Not the air compressor, but the compressor that came from the air conditioner. The air conditioner was sitting in this opening, so I had to knock it out, knock it down in there. That is way too heavy to try to lift out through that window, so had to cut out the compressor, cut out the aluminum copper rods, and it's still pretty heavy, so might have to cut it up even more just to get it out. The hot water tank might be a rental. We're not sure yet, so we gotta wait and see. Pretty much all the wires out. Some steel tubing left up here to come down. Some steel ducting. One piece of BX there. It's steel BX, so I wasn't really too worried about pulling it out right this second. Cut all the wire from the panel. So I'm just going to start emptying this stuff out. Get the compressor upstairs. So this bin of copper tubing and a little bit of copper tubing, mostly wire. So pretty much good to go. Just finish up loading up the truck. And then I'll let these guys finish up, start tearing out more stuff. Let them tear out most of the rest of the metal, and then I'll come back and pick it up in a couple days, probably after the weekend. So guess that's it for now. Still a whole whack load of shit underneath this floor. It's almost like cellar type basement looking thing. Under here, there's literally no entrance. Oh, barking at me. It's the neighbor's dog, not even here. So you can see, there's a bunch of junk in here. So they're gonna sort through all this. I think they want to empty this whole. Sitting here cleaning out this underground bunker. Got one truck full, one trailer full. Truck's full. My truck and trailer over there completely full. There's a whole lot more. There's probably like 6 more loads at least like this come out of this underground bunker. It's completely buried. They had to dig this all out. You had to climb through a little hole up here just to get in before. It's a huge underground bunker. Got one work light in here and that's it. The rest is all dark. This is all the metal we've put aside. Pretty much just cleared out this room, plus a little bit from over here. All this junk still has to go. This is all metal we've piled up. Some better metal over there. Got a monkey wrench, a big heavy duty vise. I'm gonna keep those too for sure. This keeps going. This place is huge. Try to turn on my flashlight on my camera so you can see. Dark as shit, but this whole room's completely full. Another huge space over here. This place is massive. I don't know if they would like me taking a video, but nobody's here right this second, so I figured I'd take a quick clip. This is the back side of the pile of metal. Almost looks like they were trying to make bombs in here or something. Gold dust gauging plaster. Yeah, we just got hooked up with a shitload of rebar here. Doesn't look like that much, but it's really heavy. Doesn't look like that much, like I said, but it's heavy, so it's bending the tailgate downwards. You can see the hinge is bent pretty good in there. Literally bent the hinges all the way across. So he gave us all of this rebar. That was the second load. The second load we brought my buddy's truck back with us, so we filled the truck as well. And then we did one load before that of just truck and trailer. This is all the better stuff that we got, like aluminum, stainless steel, some wire. So we just set it all aside because we got back late last night, in the middle of the night. Plus we got a bunch of shred. Got this motor here. It's a 1999 7.3 liter diesel from a Ford F-250, I believe. Or might have been a 350. So we got that. It's fucking heavy as shit. Had to get it onto the trailer. We unhooked the trailer, rolled it onto the trailer, strapped it down, put the trailer back on the truck, and then pushed it forward again, filled up around it, and it was squishing the trailer quite a bit. So it's a lot heavier than it looks. Plus he gave us a bunch of heavy melt, all this structural steel, like the C-channel stuff here. Here at the scrapyard, just finished unloading it all. All this oil came out of that diesel motor. So here's the pile of rebar that came out of it. Looks quite a bit bigger when it's sitting on the ground than when it was in the trailer. So I'm gonna go weigh out right now. I'll give you a shot of the receipt. 9 of heat out here. A lot of shred here right now. The pile's huge. Everything's huge. All of the piles are huge. I don't know why they're stocking up, I guess, because prices are low. So I'm just gonna get this all emptied out quick. So just the first load of stuff. Starting to clear the stuff out from my buddy's house because only a couple weeks left until he has to be out of there. So that means I gotta be out of there too.